Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. And welcome if you are new. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how to create this type of logo using Adobe Photoshop. Without any further ado, let's begin. Stock image, font, and gradients which I am using in this tutorial. All material link is given in the description, so make sure to check it. Okay, first I am going to cutting out model from the background. For selection the model I am using pen tool. Now the path is complete. So go to the Paths palette. Right click on Path Layer. And make selection. Click OK. As you can see selection around the model. After that click on the Add Layer Mask button. Model will cut out from the background. Then create new document. I created already. Take ellipse tool. Go to fill, select none color. Then pick black color from stroke. Select bold value for stroke. And create a circle. Like so. Stroke is too bold. I am going to decrease the stroke value a little. Select both layers. And align them vertically and horizontally center. Now with Move tool drag the model to man document. Right click on Mask and apply Layer Mask. Then go to Image, Adjustments, and Hue Saturation. Drag the lightness slider to black side. As you can see model is become custom shape now. With free transform tool make it align with circle. Now that is looking better. Hold Ctrl or Command key and click on ellipse thumbnail. Over there you can see the selection. Active model layer again. And click on Add Layer Mask icon. First part is complete. Now we need to make the gradient colors design which we will apply on that logo. So invisible both shapes. Create new group. Take ellipse tool. Create a shape like leaf. Hide the stroke. And fill it with black color. Now active direct selection tool. With shift key select middle both anchor points. Drag them to the downside with arrow keys. Like so. Make it like water drop shape. After that go to FX panel, and gradient overlay. Select any gradient color which you like. The gradient stock link is in description. If you want to download it, then check the description box below. Okay, I chose the yellow and orange gradient. Here I am going with 40-degree angle. Hit OK. Right-click on Layer, Rasterize Layer Style. Duplicate that layer. Now this is the complicated part a little. Press CTRL plus ALT plus T. Free transform path will appear as you can see. Change the reference point to the bottom one. Hold Shift key and rotate shape a little. Conform it. We have made the target. So now just press CTRL plus Shift plus ALT plus T. Press 15 times because we need 15 copies of same shape. Close the group, and convert it to Smart Object. With Free Transform tool, rotate that flower shape. Now group the circle shape and portrait shape. Right-click on flower shape and create clipping mask. Compose it in the right place. Go to Adjustment panel, Brightness and Contrast. Increase the contrast. Now group all layers into one group. Decreasing the logo size a little, because I am going to type something at the bottom. Take Text tool. And font will be Speed Easy. Font link is also in the description. Write your logo name here. Finally we are done. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from the video. So thumbs up for the tutorial, and support our channel. Do subscribe and like, comment below. Stay tuned for the next tutorials. See you in the next video. Take care.